Hello everyone, myself Ayush Jaswal and I am making a video on our test paper, that is to solving question 2 of data science internal test. We will analyze 18 students feedback rating using mean, median, mode and quartiles and box plot step by step. Let's dive in. Imagine you are a data analyst for a university. You have given a collected feedback ratings from students on a scale of 1 to 100, and you have 18 ratings and you need to summarize them. What you can see, what is the average, what is the type of the data, what are the outliners are the points that are too deflected from the all data, like 1 2 3 4, and there is 34, that there 34 is an outliner. Here we can see that outliner is seem to be 70, but we will discuss it in our next. This is our data set. This data set is already sorted, so it is easy to find a median in that. First we find the mean will be sum of all values divided by the number of values, and of our data set the answer is 36.61. On according to this data, on an average student rate around 37 out of 100 in feedback. Now median. In step 2 we will find the median, where the median mid value is of 9th and 10th, so we will find it using a midpoint finding method, that is addition of 9th plus 10th value divided by 2, then also we get 35. So we can implies that half the students rated 35 or below, or half above. Now we will see a mod checks the most frequent values, and according to our data sets the most frequent values is 35. So it can be says that 35 most student gives rating in 35. Quartiles are divided into percentage, like 25% and below 70, and in first quartile and in third quartile, that is below 75% of data. And there is we will find the quartile 1 using the number of values plus 1 into 0.25, where 0.25 between 4th and 20th and 50th and 21, our approximation will be 22.5 in first quartile, and in second quartile, or we can say in third quartile, it will multiply by 19 into 0.75 for the 75%. This is for 25% and this is for 75% third quartile, and we will get the answer approx 45 for third quartile. Now we will check the interquartile range, that is third quartile minus first quartile, that is 45 minus 22.5, that is an approx value. Then we get and now we check for outliners, then we get the 22.5 only. Now we check for outliners using upper fence method, where we will add the quartile, third quartile plus interquartile into 1.5, then we get 78.75. Now our max is 70 and less than 78.75. No outliners are there. I have said that earlier that 70 may or may not be outliner, but that was my way to say. I have not calculated that. This is the correct calculation, where there is no outliners. In step 6 we will draw a box plot. I have drawn this box plot using Python code, using a matplot library and a Seaborn for good visualization. If you want, I will provide the code I will provide a GitHub link of this code. Let's go. And this are all are the values that we have calculated in our uh, for in steps, previous steps. And interpret the data is slightly right skewed, where mean is 36.6 and median is 35, and most rating cluster around 35. One student gave 70 but not an outliner. Faculty might say most students are neutral to slightly positive. These are the values that we have calculated previously. Mean is 36.61, median 35, mode 35, and a quartile 22.5, and third quartile is 45, and there is no outliner. And interquartile range is 22.5, where we have minus from 25 minus 22.5, we get this interquartile range. And we have seen the box plot. Thank you everyone.